Welcome to Jeep Mud Master, your one-stop channel for all things off-road, overland, and outstanding. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Toyota Proace Matino camper van motorhome, a machine that combines power, luxury, and independence in one complete package. Wrapped in a stunning vibrant white finish, riding on rugged long-body 4x4 wheels, this camper is built for adventure. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips or living the van life dream, the Proace Matino is your mobile home base. So grab a drink, sit tight, and let's explore every inch of this powerhouse. Exterior front view. Feast your eyes on the front fascia of the Proace Matino. It's bold, aerodynamic, and carries that signature Toyota refinement. At the center sits the iconic Toyota badge, shining bright in the company's official showroom setting. The modern front bumper design includes fog lights, aerodynamic angles, and a strong grille that boosts both style and airflow. Its stance is commanding, with raised ground clearance hinting at the off-road potential under the sleek design. A mix of utility and beauty, ready for the next adventure. Top side view. From above, the Matino showcases its true off-grid capabilities. Mounted on the roof are dual solar panels, ideal for keeping your batteries topped up while living off the land. You'll also spot a high-efficiency AC unit, placed for optimal cooling and airflow throughout the camper. The compact radio and internet antenna ensures you're never out of range, be it for GPS, radio, or remote work. Every element on the top is sealed, insulated, and designed to perform under all weather conditions. Back side view. The rear side of the camper is all about practicality and preparedness. You've got a full-size spare tire, securely fastened and easily accessible in emergencies. Above it, a cycle carrier neatly holds up to 2 bicycles, perfect for short trail rides or exploring nearby towns. Tail lights are wide and visible, offering great safety at night. Plus, the rear doors open wide, offering an expansive entry point to the van's inner cabin. Ruggedness meets organization here. Side view. Take a look at the full side profile, and notice the extended outdoor awning tent that folds out beautifully. This is your shaded paradise, ideal for chairs, tables, grills, or just relaxing with friends under the stars. The long-body 4x4 structure sits on all-terrain tires, offering balance between urban travel and wilderness trekking. The design includes side window vents and integrated step panels for easy access. This van isn't just mobile, it transforms into your campsite in seconds. Driving compartment. Step into the driver's cockpit, where comfort meets cutting-edge tech. The ergonomic leather seating offers lumbar support, and the digital gauge cluster gives you live updates on all vehicle stats. You've got 2 LED displays, one as a smart infotainment system with GPS and smartphone integration, and another showing the rear cabin and backup camera view. There are multiple USB ports, cup holders, climate controls, and generous storage compartments. Whether it's a short drive or a 1,000-mile road trip, the ride starts smoothly here. Sitting and sleeping area. Moving into the heart of the van, you'll find a spacious sitting and sleeping setup. A well-cushioned sofa converts into a double bed, with storage drawers underneath and overhead cabinets above. Soft LED lights line the ceiling, and the panoramic side windows bring in daylight while offering privacy curtains for night use. There's even a foldable center table, perfect for meals, work, or board games during stopovers. This area turns the van into a cozy, functional home after a long day on the move. Kitchen area. The kitchenette is a marvel of design and space efficiency. It includes a dual-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink with electric water pump, and a mini fridge/freezer combo tucked below. There's also a cutlery drawer, a few cabinets for dry food and utensils, and a small backsplash for clean cooking. A skylight above offers ventilation while you cook, and everything is fire-resistant and easy to clean. Small in size, but huge in functionality, this kitchen is road trip ready. Washroom. Shower. Yes, even in this compact space, there's a fully functional washroom tucked neatly near the back. It features a cassette toilet, a small hand shower, and a sink built into the corner. Waterproof walls and floors keep things hygienic and dry, while a built-in ventilation fan ensures no odors linger. The smart layout allows enough movement without feeling cramped. For long-distance travelers, having this on board is an absolute blessing. So there you have it, the full walkthrough of the Toyota Proace Matino camper van motorhome. With everything from solar power to a private washroom, this is the dream on wheels you've been waiting for. And the price? A competitive $95,000. A solid deal for a full-fledged mobile living solution. Perfect for explorers, digital nomads, or even a tiny home lifestyle. So tell us in the comments, would you live in one of these? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.